True Ultra Instinct. So this is just normal Goku, am I right? With grey eyes. So I think that's what True Ultra Instinct is. I was like, there's like so many different types now. It's hard to sort of figure it out. But this is from the manga. Let's go. Landscape page, pencil, and an eraser sketched out lightly. Try have fun. Hit pause if I go too fast. So he's 3/4 pose. His head is turned. His body is turned. So a little bit trickier than normal, right? So what we got, right in the middle. So we'll go with this sort of W kind of frowning shape that we normally have with Dragon Ball, right? Normally not drawn in the manga, but drawn in this one. Right, so then we have big long eyebrow this way and one that goes more vertical up here, right? So we'll just kind of do the normal one first. So the long one, it's kind of easier. So like curves around, ticks up and down the back, right? So that's the long one. Then we have that square end, and then we taper it down so it gets skinnier and skinnier as we go down. And because it's base form sort of coloring, you can color this eyebrow black. Okay, so now the other eyebrow, so it goes different, right? So it's smaller because we're in 3/4 pose. So we go down and tick more vertical, so it goes more up this way, kind of down here, square end. And then we go skinnier and skinnier again as we go down to the front. And you can color this black. Right, so they're the eyebrow shapes for this. So that kind of sets you up for the eyes and the direction of them. So eyes then, right? So we have, they're quite narrow, right? So this one, so we have a small line and a long line here, right? And then we will join those together, coming across there, right? And the eyes are quite big in the manga anyway. So this is gonna curve around here, touching the bottom like that. And then his pupil, you can just see a little bit of it coming out from underneath the eyebrow like that. Right, so looking quite intense. The other eye then, short line, long line. This eye is smaller than this one because we're in 3/4. And then it goes up to there. And then his iris coming right down like so. And the pupil looking up at us there. Right? So then his nose curves out here because we're in 3/4, comes across, kind of up the side, and there's like a line drawn in like a nostril or something there. And he's got like a flat mouth coming across and just bending down. Typical sort of Dragon Ball. And his bottom lip line just here. And his chin, like so. And we're in 3/4, so we can see a cheek on this side and a jaw on this side, right? So the jaw will do the easy part. The jaw first comes right up to there, and then goes up towards his ear, changes direction, right? This side is different. So this side goes out for like his cheek, right? Just, and then goes around underneath his eye up this way, right? So it's a different sort of shape. Like that. And then those lines sort of drawn in, cheek lines. And he does have like scratches on his face and stuff. And there's like a frown line here. Right, so his fringe then, so we've got 4 spikes. 1, and they're just black, so you just draw in the spikes because it's all just colored in black manga style. Right, and then big one here. Then another one sort of sticking off his head here. And then we go out. This way. This eventually go around behind the ear on this side, so we'll draw the ear first. Big ears in Dragon Ball. Like so, and then ear lines and stuff inside. Okay, so then the hair goes all the way around, so we can start to get real big sort of spikes now. Like that, they're big ones that go that way. And then the round part of his head. And then going out here, smaller ones in behind his ear then. Like that. And that's all just colored black. So then his shirt, kind of like ripped and torn. Just coming around his chest. Lots of different ways you can do this. You're just doing like zigzag sort of torn line. And then the other side for his torso and stuff, just coming down here. And from behind his hair up here. Goes around his shoulder. His body coming down this way. Okay. And he does have another tear kind of taken out of his costume here. And right, so he's got a ripped and torn part here as well, just flowing out here. So like of his shirt or something, just torn here. And then his waistband. His waistband here. And then his pants just kind of go this way. And they got like texture lines and stuff on them. Like so. Like that. Okay, so that's like his torso and his legs. Arms here, but we'll just do some anatomy inside first. So top of his chest muscles down here, right? So that's like the center line for his chest. And then it curves up and around here. Another bump here, there. And then like neck muscle lines. This side too. Maybe his Adam's apple would be there. So because it's torn, so we should see like his chest muscles going in, say this way, and then down around there. And like some ribs and abs and stuff in here. Like there's some scratches because he obviously took a blow to this part. That's why it's ripped and then ripped, torn, and then textures and scratches and stuff. And if you want, so this is just colored black, so that he didn't draw in any of the, you know, the folding lines. But if you were coloring it like anime style, you know, you'd add some of these folding lines first and then color it blue, or I think it is blue, isn't it? It's just black in the manga, so it's up to you. Right, so his arms, so we'll start this side. So we got like big shoulder circle there, right? And then tricep, so we're front on, so we got like a couple of bumps here, and then on this side like that, and then this comes down. So all these sort of bumping angle lines. All right, and in here you have his bicep, right? So it's this sort of square shape, like this. And again, there's all scratches and like another deltoid muscle there. And then his forearm, out and in. So the way they're drawn in manga style is more sort of angled, like that. And then we meet his wristband here. And this meets his fist, which is kind of like this W bumping. The bottom of the palm of your hand is this sort of W shape. And this comes around for his thumb, which is like real square. Real square shape. Like just these sort of folds on him. Like his wrist in here. And his thumbnail there. So it's clenched fist, so we go up, around, and we have each knuckle 1, 2, 3, 4. And this bumps around for the side of his hand then, down to there. So each of these corresponds to a finger, right? So we go up there, up there. You can see the bottoms of these ones. And then around for the pinky. Right, like that. That's basically how to draw a clenched fist viewed from above. And you could add some knuckle lines if you wanted. And some like stuff like this. Okay, and then we do the other one. So we can't see like his fist on the other side. It's kind of cut off. Like it's a different position, and like the side of it's cut off. I'll try and make it up. It mightn't be perfect because I'm making it up, but we'll try our best. So the shoulder goes around there. So it's like a basketball. Right, like this sort of thing. Deltoid muscles, like that. And then it's like this arm is kind of turned slightly differently to this one. So we can see like the back of the tricep and then the front of the bicep there. And then that bicep line kind of goes that way. And now this is the part I'm going to have to make up. So forgive me if I mess it up. So we'll go down for his forearm. And then we'll do another sort of bumping line for the arm here. And then the forearm muscle goes up and out. All right, so it should come down. So we can see his big wrist. So we'll go, what way should that go? Think about it now. So So this is like his tricep, bicep, elbow sort of in here, and then forearm muscle there. And we meet his wristband, right, which will go like down this way, around like the back of his fist. Let's see. There. Okay, so that's like his wristband. And we can see his thumb here. So his thumb kind of like sticks out here. So then therefore the side of his hand. So we'll go wristband, right? So the wristband kind of curves around the side of the hand here. Then we can just, I think, see knuckles, right? 1, 2, 3, and a 4th there. That's not bad. I'm surprised. I surprised myself. There you go. That looks anatomically okay. Okay, so there's the knuckles on the top of his fist, which comes around here. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so each of these is a finger. So fist in a slightly different position to this one. We got some folds. And his thumbnail there. Some knuckle lines. Like that. Not bad. Right, and then so more scratches. Like so. Da, 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 da. Right, but I think I'll leave it there. That's how to draw. That's how to draw Goku True Ultra Instinct. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.